Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone! In this video I will explain how to play Gyrocopter, a formidable ranged carry in Dota 2. He's a versatile agility hero, renowned for his powerful area of effect damage. Gyrocopter transitions smoothly from a magical burst dealer in the early game to a dominant physical carry in the late game. His unique arsenal of abilities allows him to pressure enemies effectively and farm efficiently throughout the match, making him a threat at all stages. Let's dive into Gyrocopter's powerful abilities. First, Rocket Barrage unleashes a rapid salvo of rockets at nearby enemies for 3 seconds, dealing significant damage. Homing Missile fires a projectile that gains speed, stunning and damaging a single target upon impact. Flak Cannon allows your attacks to hit all enemies in an area for a limited number of shots, typically 8. Finally, Call Down summons 3 aerial missile strikes that slow and damage foes in a target area, excellent for initiation. For item progression, begin with basic stats and regeneration, such as Tango and Iron Branch. In the early game, Phase Boots provide crucial mobility, while Ring of Aquila offers mana regeneration and damage. As you transition to mid-game, a Black King bar is essential for spell immunity during team fights. For the late game, prioritize powerful damage items like Daedalus or Butterfly, or consider Satanic for increased survivability and lifesteal, ensuring you remain a dominant force. To dominate the battlefield, use Rocket Barrage aggressively to harass enemies and secure last hits during the laning phase. In team fights, careful positioning is key to maximize Flak Cannon's wide area damage, hitting multiple opponents. Coordinate your homing missile with allies for effective stuns and ganks, isolating key targets. Finally, utilize Call Down to initiate engagements, control enemy movement, or secure kills in large areas, turning the tide of battle in your favor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.